So friends, in the previous video, we had understood the concept of syllogism. Now in this video, we shall try to solve few problems of syllogism. So this is the first question. Some chocolate is coffee. Some chocolate is coffee. Okay. Only a few coffee is dark. Only a few coffee is dark means some coffee is dark, some coffee is not dark. All dark is candy. All dark is candy. Okay. So we have drawn the Venn diagram. Now let us see the conclusions. So these both are definite conclusions. Some coffee is candy. Some coffee is candy is definitely true. Right? Hence this is true. No candy is chocolate. No candy is chocolate is possibly true. Right? But it's not definite. Hence it is wrong. The answer is only one follows. Okay. All chocolates are flowers. Why? See, why I had written this as possibly true? For suppose there is another statement saying some candy is chocolate. If suppose there was third statement stating some candy is chocolate or some chocolate is candy, so it is also possibly true and it is wrong. Okay, but when we see these two, they are complementary pairs and they are possibly true, not definite, right? Hence the answer would be either 2 or 3 follows. That's the reason we need to see whether it is a definite true conclusion or possibly true conclusion. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now let us see second question. All chocolates are flowers. All chocolates are flowers. Some flowers are cakes. Some flowers are cakes. Few stems are flowers. Few is nothing but some. And is saying only relation between stems and flowers. So we should draw stems in such a way that it would only touch flowers. It won't touch cakes. It should not touch chocolates. Okay. Few stems are flowers. This would be your drawing. So let us see the conclusions. Both are definite. No chocolate is flowers. No chocolate is flowers. See, all chocolates is flowers. How come no chocolate is flowers? Would be true. So it is definitely false. It is wrong. It is definitely false. It won't be considered even for either or condition as well. Some cakes are flowers. Some cakes are flowers. It is definitely true. Okay, hence it is true. So what I am saying by definite is if there is another statement which states some chocolate is flowers. Some chocolate is flowers for suppose. So some chocolate is flowers is definitely true. We should not say it is some, no. Both are complementary pairs. Hence I would be keeping this as a either or condition. No. Either or condition arises only when they are both the conclusions are possible and both the conclusions are possible and they are having the complementary pairs. Okay, if they are definite, it means that we are getting a definite answer, right? It is true, right? Hence we will be getting only 3 follows, only 2 and 3 follows if they had given this statement. But here the answer is only 2 follows. Okay. Similarly, some rectangle is triangle. Some rectangle is triangle. Okay. All circle is triangle. All circle is triangle. No circle is square. He is saying a relation between circle and square. No circle is square. Okay. We have drawn the diagram. Let us see the conclusions. All rectangle being square is a possibility. Possibility means it should possibility conclusion. How we need to solve it? We need to see it should be right, it should be wrong, both. All rectangle being square. So can the entire rectangle go into the square? Yes, it can go. Even this part, it can go into the square because square has only no relation with circle. So it can be moved. And also we can also say this, we can assume as per relation theorem, we can assume whatever we wish to. If there is no relation between two entities, the relations can be anything. It can have no, it can have some, it can have all, it can have only few. Whatever you can assume it. So it is true. Some square can be triangle. Some square can be triangle. So square can move here. Square can move out. Okay, it is true, it is false. Hence this is true. The answer is both 1 and 2 follows. Okay. Now let us see few more. All rooms are tables. All rooms are tables. All doors are rooms. All doors are rooms. No cards are tables. So no cards are tables. Okay, we have drawn the diagram. Now let us see the conclusion. All rooms can never be cards. Okay, yesterday in the previous video we have discussed this, which means that this conclusion is nothing but some rooms are not cards. It is can never, it is a definite thing, it's not just can, it's can never. So we should not confuse this as a possibility. And also we discussed all rooms are not be cards is same as some rooms are not cards. So rooms is here, cards is here, there is a no relation between them. If no rooms can be cards, then definitely some rooms are not cards, it is definitely true, and this is true. And second one, all doors can be. So it's a possibility. We need to prove it as right. We need to prove it as wrong. Where is doors? Doors is here. Cards is here. All doors can be cards. No, we can only prove it as wrong. It is not right. Hence, this is wrong. The answer is only one follows. Okay. Some beds are sofas. Some beds are sofas. Some sofas are chairs. Some sofas are chairs. All chairs are books. Okay. All chairs are books. Some beds are chairs. Some beds are chairs. It is possibly true, but it is wrong. Some sofas are books. Some sofas are books is definitely true. Hence it is right. The answer is only two follows. Okay. Some lions are men. Some lions are men. Some men are women. Some men are women. Some women are goats. Some women are goats. Some lions are women. It is possibly true, but not definite. Some men's are goats. Some men's are goats. It is possibly true, but not definite. And there is no either or condition between them. Hence the answer is neither. Neither one nor two follows. Okay. Only science is physics. Only science is physics. Only science is physics is nothing but all physics is science. We need to highlight. We shall highlight it just to distinguish it as only. Okay. Some science is bio. Some science is bio. Only a few bio is Hindi. Only a few bio is Hindi is nothing but some bio is Hindi. Some bio is not Hindi. Okay. All Hindi being bio is a possibility. All Hindi being bio. It can move. Some cannot move. So we can prove it as right. We can prove it as wrong. Hence this is right. Some physics can be Hindi. Physics and Hindi. See, only science is physics. So physics can have relation only with science. No other relations is possible with physics. Okay. Hence we can prove it as only wrong. Hence this is wrong. The answer is only one follows. See, only science is physics. It means that only science has authority over physics. No one else can have a relation or authority over physics. Hence the answer is only one follows. Only a few tea is coffee. Only a few is nothing but some tea is coffee, some tea is not coffee. Right? You can draw on the drawing. All tea are juice. All tea are juice is nothing but you can draw like this. Some juice are milk. Okay. Some juice are milk. Let's try it. Let us draw like this. Okay. Some juice are milk. Right. Some milk being coffee is a possibility. Some milk being coffee is a possibility. So as there is no relation, we can prove it as right and wrong. Hence this is true. All juice being coffee is a possibility. All juice, it means that all juice, in the portion of all juice, this portion cannot move into coffee, right? So all juice being coffee, we can prove it as only wrong, we cannot prove it as right, hence this is wrong. The answer would be only one follows. Okay. Few signs are symbols. Few signs are nothing but, few is nothing but some signs are symbols. Okay. Only boards are signals. There is no boards and there is no signals. So keep it aside. Check the third statement. Some boards are signs. Some boards are signs is nothing but some boards. Okay. This is done. This is done. Now let us see the second statement. Only boards are signals. Only boards are signals is nothing but signals. Only boards has authority over signals. Okay. All signals or signs is a possibility. All signals. See, only boats are signals. How can signals be related with signs or symbols, right? We can only prove it as wrong. Hence, it is wrong. Second one, some boards are not. It's a definite thing. Some boards are not signs. See, in the boards portion, with whatever is signals, it can definitely be not with related with signs or symbols, right? As it is an only boards are signals. Signals can have relation only with boards. It cannot have relation with signs or symbols. So, can we say that some boards are not signs? Yes, you can definitely say this. It is definitely true. So this is very important. Please look into this if you didn't understand. The answer is only two follows. As they had given only boards are signals, only boards have authority over signals. When someone says some boards are not signs, in some boards means this portion which is signals cannot have relation with signs or symbols. So some boards is not signs is definitely true. Even if in the statement he had given some boards are not symbols, then also it would have been true because this portion won't have relation with symbols as well. Okay, the answer is only two. Now let us see another one. Only a few rat is mice. Only a few rat is nothing but some rat is mice, some rat is not mice. All mice is mouse. Okay, all mice is mouse. No mouse is cat. Okay, no mouse is cat. And we have drawn the drawing. Let us see the conclusions. All mouse is rat. All mouse is rat. Okay, it is possible. It is possibly true. Okay, it's possibly true. And this is wrong. Some mouse is not rat. Some mouse is not rat. As there is no relation, it can be possible. It is wrong. But if you see the conclusions, both are possible and both are complementary pairs. As we discussed in the previous video, when there is some not and all, there is a chance of either or, and we need to have same sequence. Do we have the same sequence? Mouse is the first end, rat is at the last end. Hence the answer here is either one or two. Okay, that's the reason we shall see whether it's possible, real possible conclusion or a definite conclusion. Only x is z. Only x is z. Highlight this. Only a few x is y. Only a few x is y. Some y is a. Okay, some y is a. All a is x. All a is x is possibly true but not definite. Some a is not x, it is possibly true but not definite. But when we combine these both conclusions, as they are having some not and all complementary pairs and their sequence is same, the answer is either one or two. Okay, all purse are valid. All purse are valid. Some wallet are not handbags. Some wallet are not handbags. No handbags are bags. Some bags are not handbags. Some bags are not handbags. If no bags is handbags, then definitely some bags are not handbags. It is definitely true. So it is true. All wallets being handbags is a possibility. All wallets being handbags. So in the all wallets portion, this part cannot move into handbags. Hence it is always wrong. We can prove it as only wrong. We cannot prove it as right. Hence this is wrong. The third one, no handbags is bags. No handbags is bags is definitely true. But if you see the statement, it is repeating the statement. As we discussed in the previous video, restatement is always false. Hence it is false. Definitely false. Okay. It is definitely true. It is definitely false. It is also false. The answer is only one follows. Okay. Restatement is always false. Now let us see another one. Only a few orange are apple. Only a few is nothing but some and some not. Orange, apple. Some orange is apple, some orange is not apple. Only a few orange is apple. Only a few orange is apple is nothing but some orange is apple, some orange is not apple. Some apple are mango. Some apple are mango. Only mango or pear. Only mango or pear is nothing but all pear are mango, and highlight this portion. some mango being pear is a possibility. Some mango is definitely pear. It is not a possibility. We can only prove it as right. We cannot prove it as wrong. Okay, hence this is wrong. Some oranges are not mango. Some oranges are not mango. It is possibly true but not definite, hence wrong. Some pear being apple is a possibility. See, only mango is pear. How can pear be apple, right? They would have no relation, right? Hence you can prove it as only wrong always, hence this is wrong. In this the answer would be none follows. Okay. Some ice cream is vanilla. Some ice cream is vanilla. Some vanilla are not mango. Some vanilla are not mango. All mango are chocolate. All mango are chocolate. Okay. Now let us see the conclusion. Some chocolate being ice cream is a possibility. Some chocolate being ice cream. So as there is no relation, we can prove it as right, we can prove it as wrong, hence this is right. All vanilla being mango is a possibility, but this portion we cannot enter into mango, right? Only we can prove it as wrong, hence it is wrong. The third conclusion, no chocolate is ice cream is a possibility. No chocolate is ice cream is a possibility. In the sense, as there is no relation, we can prove it as right, we can prove it as wrong, hence this is right. But if you see the conclusion 1 and 3, both are possible conclusions, they are not definite conclusions. As it is a possibility, it is a possibility. If you see this, it is some chocolate being ice cream. No chocolate is ice cream. It is some and no. They are complementary pairs. And chocolate, chocolate, ice cream, ice cream. Though they don't need to be in the same sequence for some and no, they should be similar, right? We have two same variables. Hence the answer is either 1 or 3. We should not tick here both 1 and 3 follows. It is wrong because 1 and 3 are complementary pairs and they are possibilities, not definite conclusions. So very important. Again, you just, if you want to listen again, go back and listen to the video. Okay. Now let us see the last one. Only orange or apple. Only orange or apple is nothing but all apple or orange. And just highlight this portion. No orange is banana. No orange is banana. Only a few banana are grapes. Only a few banana are grapes means banana, some bananas are grapes, some bananas are not grapes. So the sequence is also important. If suppose they are given only a few grapes are bananas, then some grapes won't be bananas. Okay. Now let us see the conclusions. Some apples are grapes. Some apples are grapes. It is definitely false. As there is only relation, it is definitely false. No apples are grapes. It is definitely true, right? Because only oranges are apples. No apples are grapes is definitely true. This is true. Some apples are bananas. Again, it would be definitely false. Right? We should not confuse here. Here, some and no is there, complementary pairs, but they are definitely false and definitely true. They are not possible. They are definite. Hence, the answer is only 2 follows. Try to practice some problems. If you have any queries, please comment and let us know so that we shall try to help you out. Thank you.